Hello guys, welcome to Sense Chatting. So today we'll see what happened in market, Bank Nifty and Nifty 50. Starting with Bank Nifty, as you all can see on the screen. So today we have seen a pretty good move towards downside, and later in the after hours, the market has recovered and reached to the level that we are talking in the previous videos. So starting with today's analysis with Bank Nifty, market opened almost flat compared with yesterday's closing, and as soon as it opened, the market did not try to go above that particular level of yesterday's closing, and since then the market started falling. And also, market has when the market has reached 43,550 and 43,500 level, so it showed little bit of sideways movement, and then they CE positions got accumulated, CE selling positions got accumulated, and there they have added their positions, and then it started falling from that 43,500 level and almost reached this 43,250. From there, also we have discussed in the previous videos that this 43,500 will be a resistance, sorry, support, and as soon as this support is broken, that then we can see a good movement downwards. But also, what happened today? We saw a good movement towards downside, but it did not sustain at that particular value. Whenever it reached this 43,200 level, the market again bounced back to the same zone of 43,500 or 43,450. So you guys can see over here, it gave a closing exactly at these particular lows of these particular hammers that was formed earlier. So this is what happened in Bank Nifty. Coming to Nifty 50, so this the formation of the symmetrical triangle got extended, and I have also told you guys this symmetrical triangle has to be broken to give a good movement in the market. And today it tried to break this particular symmetrical triangle, and it was not able to succeed. As soon as it reached that particular low, or support line of that particular symmetrical triangle, the market again shooted up towards the upside and formed a new symmetrical triangle. And now if we can see a good breakout towards upside, or if we can see a breakout towards downside, so then we can see a good move coming in Nifty 50. Also, we can see today we have a nice rejection towards this particular support line. That is where we can say that multiple PE selling positions got added even though when the fall is going on. So that is a good buying zone that happened today. So let's analyze them in the shorter time frame. Coming to Bank Nifty, so market has opened below this particular zone that when yesterday market was trading, and that is 43,650, and the market was trading above that particular level. And if you guys can analyze the 20th day of market, so there we have seen a flag formation, and that was not able to break, and again the market reached that particular value. So on 21st November, we have seen that the market is trading above that particular flag point, and even though the market has tried to break down, it reached back to that particular same 43,650 zone. Today, whenever this particular 43,650 is taken out and opened below that particular point, so that is where we have seen a huge selling happening when the CE sellers are continuously adding their position and selling toward from there. So morning it reached particular support point, and as soon as it reached, it has started forming a support line. So if you guys can, so the market is trading in this particular support zone and a particular trend line, taking this as a support line, and the above one is a resistance line. And as soon as it reached this particular resistance line, see how it has given a good nice move towards downside. And now again, so this is where the PE sellers, they have started moving the market, and then again they accumulated their positions in this particular trend, and they moved the market towards downside. So here the sharp selling happened, and again uh, people CE sellers again they accumulated in this zone and in this zone as well. So let's see how it moved today. So this is the resistance line. So people, they were trying to move upside, but they were not able to sustain here and here, and then it gave a nice move towards downside. So here the breakout happened attacked, and whenever this is broken, this is where you will make an entry and keep stop loss of this particular high. And next target is achieved nicely. Also, if you guys can see, this movement is also helped by PE sellers, where they started exiting their positions from 43,500 to 43,300. So that is where we have seen a good move towards downside today. And once it reached this 43,200 and 250, so that is where it started. These PE sellers started accumulating their positions and they started moving the market towards upside. And it gave a closing near this 43,450 and 500 level. So this is the support zone that they are taking. Multiple supports it has taken. Now it has given a breakout. This is where I'll keep my entry and keep my stop loss of this particular point. And we can see it has reached this particular 43,450 level. So this is what Bank Nifty does in shorter time frame. Coming to Nifty 50. So Nifty 50 has opened flat, and as soon as it has opened, the market started this direction with a huge movements in a upside and downside movement in a smaller time frame. Now if I see the market again here trying to find a support zone and a particular trend line it is following and then making a support and resistance zone. Here it has formed a support and resistance zone, and multiple times it tried to go up, and see here over here this PE sellers they exited their positions, did their short covering, and again this particular resistance level is tested, support previous support line. Now since the price is downwards, now it is acting as a resistance, and now it started moving down. So this is a nice move happened in both the indices today. Let's say if from here this particular candle it gave a breakout, so I'll keep that as an entry. So as you all can see on the screen, now this is the breakout that candle that has given, so I'll that closing price is my entry and the top is my stop loss. Green color candle, opposite color candle, top is my stop loss. And if you guys can see, I'll keep this as my first target, since this is the opening point, or 20th November, 21st November low, and there's a gap up. So once this is reached, also I am able to find out that this there is one more breakout at that particular level. And now if you guys can see over here on 20th November, there's a gap that needs to be filled, where a gap up happened on 21st November. So that is where I'll still hold my position, and now I have a good return until that gap got filled. So here the gap got filled. See if you guys can, exact gap got filled, and now I'll exit from this particular position booking 1 is to 6 ratio. And this is a good trade in Nifty 50 that happened, and now it started taking this level as a support zone, and it bounced back and went to day high again. This is a short position, and again once this particular resistance level is broken, then again we saw a good move towards upside. Here it has given a breakout, and now it has reached this day high again. So this is what happened in both the indices, Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. So if Nifty 50 have to move, it has to follow these conditions, give breakout above this particular, above or below these particular symmetrical triangle, and coming to Bank Nifty, it has to move away from this particular zone. That is where we can see a good move in both the indices. Thanks for watching for today's video. Please like, share and subscribe to Sense Charting.